Want to expand into the UK and EU without the customs hassle? Welcome to Meteor Space, your warehousing and fulfillment partner in Northern Ireland. Clear customs once, that's it. Import directly into Northern Ireland and avoid paying duties twice. From Northern Ireland, your goods move freely across Ireland, the UK, the EU. No additional customs, no extra tariffs. Why pay for clearance more than once? Save money, save time, scale faster. We're here to help your brand reach the UK and EU. Meteor Space. Your bridge to the UK plus EU. Meteorspace.com. Info@meteorspace.com.